Hi everyone, welcome. My name is Sue-Tanya, and today we'll be talking about Fiverr. Now, Fiverr is one of my favorite sites. It's one of my favorite sites for making money online, and that's one of the reasons why I decided to start with Fiverr. Now, this video series here will be a four-part video series, and today I'll mainly be focusing on how to create your account and how to set up your account. And then for the rest of the videos, I'll go more in depth in terms of how to create your gigs, how to how to market yourself on Fiverr and get more sales. Now, if you don't already know what Fiverr is, it's a freelancing site that allows you to sell your services starting at $5. Now, $5 might seem really small, but in Jamaica we have a saying that says every mickle make a muckle. So it really means, translation is, your $5 that you get, it might seem small now, but there's potential to make it much more than just $5. Alright, and again, it's a site that gives you money. Why wouldn't you want to make money, right? Good. So what you'll do is to go to your browser. You'll type in fiverr.com, that's fiverr.com, and then you'll be directed to this page that you're looking at now. In the top right hand corner, you'll see a green button that says join. You'll click on that button, and then you'll type in your information. So you'll put your email address there, you'll put your username right here, and then you'll put your password right here, and you'll solve this equation, and then you'll click I agree to the terms of service and then select join. Or to make it much easier, you could click this blue button here that says join using Facebook. So it will just grab the information from your Facebook account to create the account. I've already created my account, so I'm just about to sign in. Alright, so I'm signed into my account. For the front page, this is what the front page looks like, or the home page looks like. It's crawling. The net is crawling. Alright, so we're at the home page now. This is what your home page would look like. And if you are seeing what I'm seeing now, you'll see some categories. So you'll see music and audio, gifts, video, animation, fun and bizarre. All of those are categories. Those are categories that you can put your gigs in, and gigs are the term given to the services that you're selling. So if you're selling a data entry service, it's called a gig. Your gig is about data entry. Alright, so on the front page it also features other persons from Fiverr that are selling their gigs, and this is one of the reasons why I like Fiverr, because the traffic is there. I mean, they promote your gigs already, so you don't really have to do much. Just as long as you have a good gig up and it's something that persons want, you will definitely get sales. So this is what the homepage looks like. If you click on your name, your username, to your right hand side you'll see a drop down box. It says your name, it has inbox, it has collections and settings. So what we're going to do now is to go to our profile. So you click on your username, and we're going to set up our profile to make ourselves seem attractive to potential buyers, because that's what we need to do to get them to want to buy from us, because there's a lot of persons now on Fiverr, so we have to stand out. So I named my username is SueMacBusiness. I have no idea why. Okay, but that's my username, and there you'll see my flag with my location, and it says that I speak English. I can edit my profile so I can put information in it to just something short, not too long, that whoever is looking on my account will see, and they could, because this is like a Facebook profile where you have your information and you need to sound attractive or look attractive. So you'd go here and you'll upload your profile, and then you'd go here and you'd write something about yourself, whatever it is. If you have another language, if you speak another language, you put here, you click add language and put the language, and then you select save changes. So right now I'm gonna put, hi, my name is Sue, and I am a girl right now. I don't know what to put right there, but something interesting, you'd put that. And then you'd put you'd put a picture there. I have no pictures right now. And then you select save changes. Oh, it's too short. I'm a girl, blah blah blah. Save changes. Still too short. Blah blah blah. Save changes. Good. So this is what your profile will look like. For your, you'd go to account settings to your right hand side and you'd put your full name there. So you'd put your full name there and your last name, whatever your last name is, and then you select save changes. And you also have the option to connect your account to your Facebook, which is really good and bad, but good in most cases. You can create a Facebook page, or you can create a second Facebook account, create another Facebook account, and you can connect your Facebook to it so that you can share your gigs and share your links on your Facebook account. You know, Facebook is really good in terms of traffic and advertising. You can do a lot with Facebook. So you can advertise your gigs on Facebook to attract people to come to your account to buy gigs from you. So that's basically it in a nutshell. We've created our account and we've edited our settings. We've added information about ourselves. And stay tuned for our next video. In our next video, we'll talk about creating our gigs and promoting ourselves so that we can get more sales. Alright, bye bye, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my videos.